Guys, here we've got OPPO Find X2 Neo, and let me show you how to change keyboard language on this device. So firstly, you have to open some area where you can input text. It can be new mail, new message, note, whatever. Something with access to keypad. And as you can see here, we've got English and also Spanish active. If you want to change it, just tap on settings, go to languages, tap on add keyboard right here, and select the language that you want to apply. And then you can either remove some unnecessary keyboard or leave 3 of them, but I would like to remove them. And as you can see, here is your brand new keyboard. So that would be all. This how you can change keyboard language. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.